Hi, this is Mike from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today I'm going to take you a walk through our brand new 2020 210 Sea Ray SPX. Starting back here in the aft of the boat has a Mercury 200 outboard motor. We have a ski pylon back here, and we also have a 12-volt outlet in the back of the boat. If you're hanging out back here, you can plug in and always be charged. This boat also has a flip-up seat in the back, so you can sit back and watch your skiers comfortably or look out the back of the boat when you're skiing or when you're swimming. Moving into the boat, we've got a storage area right here, very large. And moving further forward, we have yet another storage area. This one is carpeted and finished. Continuing on, you can see we have these stainless steel cup holders and grab rails. We have a seat in the back, which if you flip up this seat, you're going to find you have a cooler that drains overboard. And you also are going to have a second cooler on this side, which is removable from the boat. Coming into the boat, we've got an additional storage space underneath this seat, which is also finished. Two captain's chairs with flip-up bolsters for thigh-high support. Got yourself some 12-volt and USB plugs here, your throttle, all your gauges including your 5-inch Simrad screen, Fusion stereo. To the port side here we have a lockable glove compartment. More stainless steel cup holders. Storage space underneath. Have an enormous in-deck storage area below deck. Moving forward, we've got plenty of seating up in the front here. Note your stereo speakers and stainless steel grab rails. Under both the port and starboard sides, you have finished compartments for additional storage. And if you need to enter the boat from the bow, this cushion is removable and you have yourself 2 steps down into the cockpit. Finally, I want to highlight that this boat does have the optional sports tower with a tow point on the top if you want to go and do some wakeboarding. It also has the bimini coverage for both the aft and front portion of the arch. Again, this has been Mike from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Please give me a call if you'd like to discuss this boat or any of our other boats at 609-926-0600. See you on the water.